Yes, that's the man. We finally got him. Oh, come on. Tuco, we're filming. You know that, right?
No, I think we should not be filming right now.
You don't want to be filmed? Or are you kidding? What's up, man?
You setting up my buttock?
Yeah? All right, well, we'll film your work.
Huh?
We'll film your work.
You filming your work? Oh, I'm just going for a push. I was cleaning up my tongue and setting up my tongue to get some rainwater. Yeah. Huh?
Can you, how long is the job? Can I help you with it and get it done quick?
Pretty harmless, yeah.
If you want your, honey,
Why you never call me?
why haven't I called you? Huh?
You called me yesterday.
Yeah.
I know it was you, but I just went to the drum and just...
You got a phone? I should call Carl.